So I was out in the lake the other day and I almost ate it trying to climb onto my boat, trying to launch my boat. And this is the step I've been using since I bought the boat. And I paid about probably $30 for this thing. I mean, it worked. It worked for a while until I almost slipped and missed the step and almost fell forward. So I figured, you know what? I've been wanting a step, a 2-step or 3-step. I don't know. I haven't figured it out yet, but I wanted a step. So I went out to a pro shop, looked at their options. The 2-step is about almost $300. So I figured I looked at it and you know what, it's something I can do. So went home and went straight to my metal supply store, my local metal supply store, bought some material, and I came up with an idea how to make it. It's going to be similar to the one at Bass Pro Shop, same idea, but this one will be custom, so it wouldn't be as tall because the one they have at the store is kind of too tall for me, and I didn't like it. So I'm just going to try to make one myself. Hopefully it'll work. I'm still going to use this. I'm probably going to put it here, so I'll have 1-step, 2-step, and then 3-step. So we'll see. I'm going to go get started right now. Here on the bench is the material that I'm going to be using. About 2 of these plates. They're 12 by 12 square, 12 inches. Okay. And so this plate I'm going to cut in 2 pieces right here. That's going to be used for the mounting point. And then this one is going to be the actual step. And whatever extra pieces I have left, I'm probably going to use it as brace or angle bracket, gusket or something like that. I even bought this material right here too, this stuff. This is the grip for the actual foot that I'm going to make. And here you have the pipe. I bought about, I don't know, 5 feet long because that's all they had. This is a 3 by 2 inches square pipe. Thickness is I measured it. It's an 1/8 inch. I wanted something thicker to hold up. So there you go. We'll start cutting right now. Alrighty. These are the 2 pieces I just got done cutting out. Here's the layout. These are the pieces that I'm going to use. These two are going to be for the mounting. This is probably going to be the step pads. This is the material of the cutter that I used. Very thin, 4.5 inch blade using this Makita. I'm going to brush it off with this 660 grit. Yep. So I'm going to brush all this off, clean it up before I weld. So this is what I'm going to use right here. There we go, guys. These are going to be my mounting plate, back piece, front piece. These are going to be the stepping plate. This is where I'm going to put some kind of sandpaper grip on there. So all right, let's get on to the pipe cutting. I'll show you how I'm going to cut the pipe out, where I'm going to mount onto these 2 plates. Okay, here's my rectangular tube that I'm going to cut out. I'm going to cut right here at 45 degree. It's about 13 inches long. This one is about 16 inches long. So once I get this angle cut, I'm going to flip it so it can be a right angle. You'll see in a bit. And then I'm going to weld it together. There you go. Cut it at a perfect 45 degree. Now I got a square pipe right here that's going to bolt onto the mounting pieces. You'll see in a bit. I'm going to start welding. Okay, finally got all the pieces cut out, clean. Took all the corners and sharp edges. So basically this is what all the pieces look like. I got the first cut is of course a 2 pipe cut at 45 degree angle at this point so I can weld it together. The top plate is going to sit just like this. Second plate, cut another pipe that we're going to weld onto there. And here's a second step. It'll sit right here. So I even made a little cover to cover that opening, you see. I'm going to weld that in there, so cover that up. Also got this little gusket right here that's going to sit here for extra support. Weld there. So this piece is going to mount into here, and then this is going to be bolted to the back side of the trailer, the mounting position, mount just like that. Okay. gonna start welding. Once I piece it together, show you the next step. All right, I'm on to welding my first piece. Get a couple well. There you go. Near all the other corner. I'll show you when it's all done. All right, first weld done. Go on to the next. All right, finished with the weld. This is what it looks like so far. My first step, my second step. Everything all welded together. Ready for primer and paint. This gasket was added on there. I decided to add another gasket down on the bottom right here for extra support. That was the last minute thing, but that's it. I'm just going to clean up all the welds and start the paint, and it'll be done another day. Can't wait to use it. So here's what the finished product looked like. There's my new two-step stand right there. I went with this color scheme because I wanted it to pop out, and I was cheap. I had too many of these bottles on my shelf, so I might as well use it. And it's all good. It's all good. I like it. There you go. This is what it looks like. Bought these grip out at Bass Pro Shop. Cut it up, glued it on. Only took me a week to do this, but it's done. I continue to use this piece. This piece was sitting over there before. Now I move it here, so I got 3 steps to climb on. I also use this as leverage to pull my boat out, to push my boat out when I launch it. And here's the beauty of custom work. I tailor this to fit my swing. Look at that. Nicely tucked. Love it. All right, guys. There you go. Let's go fishing.